morning. Hey, what's up? So today we're vlogging. My hair looks like a mess. Wait, if I just better. So today I'm doing more exciting things than laying in bed and watching Netflix. So I thought that I would bring you guys along and vlog today. Ooh la la. I just finished my makeup. This is it. This is her. If you want to focus on, oh gosh, maybe we shouldn't focus that close. With the glow. I always get so distracted by my glow. I have some really exciting things coming up today. I thought that I would vlog. I need to do my hair and get dressed, and then I'm going to film some videos. I took my car in to the little service-y thingy because it needed to be serviced, obviously. Like duh. Keys, what's up? This is me getting ready. Yeah, I'm gonna film 2 videos today, maybe 3 if I'm lucky, and then I have an appointment for laser hair removal. Sweet, right? Hopefully I can take you guys along with me and you can see it. If not, I'll just talk about it. Yep, let's go. Also, I have this drawer, and this is all the makeup I'm bringing to college. Which, like, it's a lot, don't get me wrong, but considering that I'm me, it's not a lot. Like, it all fits in one little drawer. Obviously not very organized. ASMR. Just kidding, that was actually not a fun sound. Hi! Hi, hello. Oh my god. I just did my makeup, please don't ruin it. She loves to like dig in my hair. Why are you like this? You just sneezed in my hair. I love you. You're the love of my life. Do you want to go to college with me? Do you want to move to college? Do you want to live in a dorm? Oh, ow. You're stepping on my hair again. Okay, bye. Now we're in my filming room. I'm literally filming right now. I'm just filming to make sure my camera doesn't go out of focus, because if it turns off then I have to refocus it and it's like really annoying. Here's all my lights. I just did a thumbnail for my giveaway. I had one originally, but it sucked and I zoomed in. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna film some Q&A videos, which is gonna be really exciting. Hopefully that thumbnail turned out good. Sometimes I just feel like I look really ugly in them, like yikes. My hydro's broken, see? Do you hear that? But anyways, I'm gonna go film. Wait, is my camera not turning off? Great, the record button's not turning off. Fantastic. Hello. That was weird, sorry. I'm in like a weird mood today. I'm currently importing some footage to my computer so I can edit my thumbnail, and then I have my appointment soon, so I need to go to that. But I was supposed to film 2 videos. I just didn't feel like it. I felt like I kept stumbling on my words and I just sounded weird. And whenever I do that, I'm just like, I guess I'll film another day. I'm starving. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Sorry, that's just stuck in my head. So I'm about to go to my laser hair removal appointment, but I thought before I like do that, I could just like talk to you guys about like why I'm doing it and like all the stuff about it. I think, okay, maybe this is just me, but I think this stuff is so interesting. Anything that like cosmetic, I don't know. I just think that things like this are so interesting, and I'm always like, I want to learn more. So yeah, I look naked. See, like right here. Wait, naked. Not naked. Laserway actually reached out to me a while ago and they asked me if I wanted to book an appointment and get laser hair removal, and I was like, yes. I always thought I would get laser hair removal eventually, but I thought it'd be like in my 30s or something, like somewhere older. But it actually makes more sense to do it now that I'm like younger. You show more skin when you're younger than when you're, not like I'm like exposing myself to the world, but you know what I mean. Whatever. I just think that, yeah, okay, what am I saying? I hate shaving so much. I actually know someone that likes to shave, and like, who hurt you? Like, why would you like to shave? If Laserway reached out to me and asked me, I was like, yes, I definitely want to do that. I'm really excited for it. I'm a little nervous because it's like a laser touching your skin. So I'm going to my first appointment. I have to leave in like 10 minutes. I want to like tell you guys my whole experience and everything. I think that'll be super interesting, and I'll like update you when I get my like next treatment. You get treatments every 6 to 8 weeks. I've actually been watching like laser hair removal videos. I think they're so like, it's so intriguing. Hopefully you guys think this is like interesting too. Hi, I'm back. I'm really close. Should we bring you back? So I did a vlog there, which I really regret. I wish I would have. I took some phone videos that made no sense. I took some videos on my iPhone while I was there. When I get really nervous, I don't like to vlog. I just get stressed, and then vlogging on top of that just makes me even more stressed, and it's like a whole thing, and I just didn't vlog. Okay, that's my story. I want to tell you guys about my experience. It was actually so good. I was really nervous for it, like I said, and going into it, I was like a little shaky because like it's a laser touching your skin. But I'm actually so glad I did it. It went by so fast. So I got there, I signed in, and they were like right on time. I got there early, but like they were right on time, which is awesome because like most like doctors' offices aren't. Like, I know it's not a doctor's office, but you know what I mean. Anytime I go in for like a checkup, I'm just like waiting 30 minutes later than I should be. They were right on time, so the lady brought me into the room. I took a video of the room. I'll show you guys. It was really cool. It was like really pretty. The entire place, like Laserway, was like really gorgeous. I was like, what? There's this wall when you walk into like the waiting room, and it's like brick and it was like, oh, I want it in my house, but without the laser away sign, but like I want that wall. So whoever designed laser away in Phoenix, hit me up. Just kidding. I'm really rambly today. The lady that did my laser hair removal, it's like talked to me. She talked to me about like what's going to happen, the process, what it's going to feel like. Wherever you're getting laser hair removal, you're supposed to shave 12 hours or like less before, so you're clean shaved. She explained to me that like with the laser, you want most of the pressure to be on like the bulb of your hair. The laser is going for that bulb, so you want the time of the laser to be spent on the bulb and not like on the hair. And then she also said that it works best on like lighter skin tones with darker hair, which is what I have. So she said I was a perfect candidate. Love. Guys, I've been watching so much Queer Eye. I'm literally turning into the Fab Five. I say gorgeous so much now. You change into a robe. Do you know like those like strapless kind of like towel velcro things that you put on like after a shower, like if you have one? You put those on and then they like come back into the room, and then I thought they would numb you, but they don't, which I thought was really weird, but I didn't feel the laser. The room was really loud. Here, I'll put a clip of how loud the room was. Pretty loud, right? She told me that the areas that you're going to feel the laser are where you have more coarser hair and where you're bonier, like on a bone. So I really only felt it like barely at all. So what it felt like was, it's going to be like a really weird description. Do you know like when you're at the dentist and they like kind of have that air thing that they like blow into your mouth to like dry out your teeth? It's like air, shh, the air thing. It kind of felt like a really cold, intense version of that. That's what it felt like. I didn't feel the laser in certain areas. Like when she started, she's like, can you feel it? And I was like, you started? Like what? I really thought she was blowing cold air on me. And then the areas where I felt it more, again, like coarser, bonier area, it kind of felt like, do you know when your car's been sitting out for a really long time and then you go buckle your seatbelt and like that metal part like kind of touches your skin and you're like, ah, like it kind of feels like it's like slightly burning you. It kind of felt like someone was like slightly dragging that against your skin, but with like cold, intense air all around it. So like if the cold air wasn't there, it would hurt so bad, but since the cold air was there, it like didn't hurt at all. My pain level was at a 2 at the most, and I really only felt like the hot metal feeling for probably like 2 seconds. My underarm probably took 10 seconds each. Like it was so quick, so fast. If it was like a 3-hour-long treatment, I don't know if I'd want to go for another session, but since it was like less than a minute, it was so bearable, fantastic. I'm so excited to get more done. Okay, also I thought that like getting laser hair removal would be so awkward. Like I thought it'd be awkward just having like a lady like laser my armpit, but it wasn't. The most awkward thing was she tried to like get the sunglasses out of my hands, but I thought she was trying to shake my hand. So as she was trying to get the sunglasses, I like started shaking her hand, and it was like this really awkward encounter. It was odd. They also gave me this little hair. I just went to the gym. Oh no, I just realized that I'm not supposed to like sweat for like a few days, I think 2 days after I get my laser hair removal. Oops, I'm the worst. Yeah, but I just went to the gym and then I changed into this shirt after because the shirt I was wearing smelled really gross. Now I don't know what to do. I've been editing Instagram pictures. A few hours later, I ate dinner. The lighting's really good. Oh my gosh, hi. I'm watching Parenthood. Kiara has gotten me obsessed with it. I'm literally just planning on editing for the rest of the night, so I thought this day was going to be more exciting, but it wasn't, and I'm kind of angling my head like this so you can see my highlight. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I have a huge giveaway going on right now, so you should definitely enter it, and I have a ton of back to school videos coming up. Get excited. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! That was weird, sorry.